20b, I think, the hardest question on the test. Now, we have to write this as a fraction in its simplest form. So we're asked to subtract fractions, basically. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to quickly design a subtracting fractions question. Okay, so if this is a question, what we would normally do is try and make the bottoms the same. And we would look for the lowest common multiple, which in this case is 6. So we would say that 1/3 is the same as 2/6, using our knowledge of equivalent fractions. And we then could subtract them, so 5/6 take away 2/6 is 3/6, or a half. So sometimes, if you get stuck on these questions, design a question that you know that works and just follow the same procedure. Now, we could also do this with 18 on the bottom by multiplying these two numbers together. That will always create a multiple. But normally here we'd like to use the lowest common multiple because we get to the answer quicker. In this case, we're going to have to times them together because that's the only multiple that we're going to find. So what I'm actually going to do is write these a lot bigger, but having times these two together. So there are two terms, I'm going to have to encase them in a bracket. And I'm going to times it by that one. So what actually we form is a quadratic expression on the bottom. So I'm just going to do that for both. It's the same as timesing these and putting 18 here. Now, if I've times this one, like here, I times all of this by 2. So this one I'm actually timesing by y minus 6. So I've got to times the tops also by y minus 6. And likewise here, I've times this one by y plus 3, so I have to times the tops by y plus 3. And because it was a 1 there, I'm just gonna do that. Now, you can see when we subtract fractions, we kept the bottoms the same and just did the tops. So I'm going to now merge this into one fraction. So the bottoms will stay the same, like so, and we're going to do this. So I'm just going to expand that one, so 2y minus 12, and I'm going to take away a y, and I'm also taking away a 3. So it's take away a y, take away a 3. Now this bit confuses a lot of people, but you're minusing this whole bracket from this one. So 2y take away a y is a single y. Minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15. And it's up to you now what you do with this. I'm just going to leave it like this. It's absolutely fine. Or you could expand it to get y squared minus 3x minus 18 on the bottom. There we go. That's your answer for 3 marks. It's a tough question.